Are you committed to building your business? Are you someone who's looking for the strategies, the techniques of the top producers? Are you wanting to make more money? Are you having a little trouble on your own? Well, here at Mike Ferry, we build salespeople. We're teaching the Action Workshop coming May 19th through the 22nd to San Jose. Now at the Action Workshop, remember, we're covering very specific things. We're covering lead follow-up, where you're gonna actually walk away with a system for managing your leads, knowing how long to keep them, knowing what to do. You're gonna have a system for managing your time. Raise your hand if you need help managing your time. Absolutely, pre-qualifying your people, asking deeper questions to find out their level of motivation and how you can actually help people and move them forward. We focus a lot of our class on presentation skills. We work on your past customers and your center of influence. Would you like to make a lot of money from your friends, your family, your neighbors? If we can teach you a script to do that and teach you a system to do that, is that going to help your business grow? Absolutely. Okay, so consider this: 4 mornings where we can achieve everything that I just explained to you and more. Are you willing to spend 4 mornings to get yourself online with the goals that you've set? Imagine this: it's a 9-to-1 program in the morning, 9 to 1 for 4 days, instruction from 9 to 1, and then you go out in the afternoon and implement what I've taught you. My name's Ron. I'll be teaching the Action Workshop in San Jose, May 19th through the 22nd. We train salespeople. We look forward to seeing you there.